to see each and everyone over here for Zeal 2010. It is an amazing thing. In fact, this is the first kind of a grand inauguration has been done to a Zeal. This is the first time it's paused. What is Zeal? Everybody say it is an event, it is a festival, it is a management combination of these things and that and all. For me, Zeal is an MBA which could be done within just 2 months, within a couple of months. We are doing an MBA for 15 months, we are studying the various subjects over here. But Zeal is a landmark in which you can just within 2 months you can get the actual MBA. From organizational behavior to HRM to marketing management, each and every concept, whatever you study is implemented here. If you not perform well in the first semester, don't worry. Here is Zeal. We give second chance to make sure that you portray your talent. This is a place where you get your talents, your imagination, this is a place you can express. This is a wonderful opportunity which each management institute gives you. Please don't miss it. Coming back to the 2008 great history of it was also one of the benchmark which has been created by IBS 2008 Zeal. This time we are planning to make it much better than that. As far as 2008 Zeal is concerned, the main event was held in Ishania Mall, one of the prominent places in Pune, which would be the best I can say. It's kind of very kind of leisure show, and even in fact the highlight of the whole Zeal was the fashion show played by our great models of IBS. It was a wonderful event in which those things were quite essential, and these things, this is just what I could try to say is what we are going to do this year should be a history in IBS, not in IBS, history in a B school in all over the world. That's how we have to create this inauguration. I see this young enlightened managers over here. I hope after Zeal, a couple of months, I would see all great leaders from the same couple of members and the young 2011 batch students. Welcome to Zeal. I hope each and everyone to be there. One thing I have to forget to say this about this question mark in the theme. Everybody would have what is this question mark? If Zeal is a question mark, then what we have to do? It's nothing but we need some theme. We are just looking for the theme and your help is required. That's what we are here. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.